Hello everyone. In this video, we see the solution of exercise 30.7 onward. Question number 3 of class 9th math from NCERT test book. So, in this question, it has been said that the height of a cone is 15 centimeter and its volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Then find the radius of the base. Okay, and find the radius of the base. So we have given height h of cone, which is equal to 15 centimeter, and its volume is also given. Volume, which is equal to what height 70 centimeter cube. Okay, so we know the formula of the cone, 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Okay. Now plug the value of h and pi. So this is 1/3 into pi is 22/7 and radius r square and height is 15 centimeter equal to 1570 centimeter cube. 1570 centimeter cube. So 15 cancel by 3. 3 5 is 15 5 times. Okay. Okay. This implies the value of r square equal to 1570 into 7 upon 5 divided by 22. Okay, divided by 22. Okay, here the value of pi is given. In this question, value of pi is given. Use 3.14. So here write the value of pi 1/3 into 3.14. So this is 5 into 3.14. Okay. Now dividing 1570 by 5. So this is 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Okay, so this is equal to, this is centimeter square, 314 upon, removing the decimal from the denominator. So in numerator multiply by 100 and this is 1 4. This is cancel out. Centimeter square. Now radius r square equal to 1000 centimeter square. Then radius equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So dear children, this is required radius of the base of cone, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Okay children, now move to the question number 4. Question number 4. So in this question, it is given, question number 4, if the volume of a right circular cone, if the the volume of right circular cone, if the volume of right circular cone of height 9 centimeter of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter of its base. Find the diameter of its base. So in this question we have given height of circular cone, means height h is given. Height h is given 9 centimeter and its volume is also given, volume which is 48 pi centimeter cube. 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, then we need to find diameter of the base. So we know this is 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so this is 1 upon 3 and pi 22 by 7, radius same r square and height is given 9 centimeter is equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, now 9 divided by 3 in 3 times. Okay, then radius r square equal to, here write pi not value of pi, so pi cancel out from both the sides. So r square equal to 48, okay, divided by 3. So 3 on the 3, 3 6 is 18. So value of r square equal to 4 centimeter. R is 4 centimeter. Then its diameter become, we know diameter is 2 times of radius. So this is 2 into radius is 4 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is required diameter of the base of a right circular cone. Okay. Okay. Further move to the next problem, means question number 5. Okay, so in question number 5 we have a conical pit of top diameter. Question number 5, a conical pit of top diameter of 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliter? What is
Mr. Ramesh Yadav and Mr.
its
Jagdish.
capacity in liters. What each capacity in kilo liters? Okay. So in this question we have given diameter equal to 3.5 meter, then radius equal to 3.5 divided by 2, okay, which is equal to 35 upon 20 meter, which is equal to 35 upon 20 meter, and this is 5 4 27 equal to 7 by 4 meter. 7 by 4 meter, and also given its height is given, height h is given, which is 12 meter. Okay, then its capacity is calculated by capacity is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this is 1 upon 3 into the value of pi, use 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7, and radius is 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, and height is 12. 7 to 7 cancel out, 3 4 are 12, and 4 is 4. Now multiply 22 by 7. Okay, upon 4. Okay, 22 into 7 upon 4. So 22 multiplied by 7, 7 to the 4 is 15. So this is 154 upon 4 centimeter cube. Now dividing by 4. So 38.5 centimeter cube. Okay, 38 centimeter meter cube. Sorry, not centimeter. This is meter cube. 38.5 meter cube, and in kiloliter. So we know 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. So 38.5 kiloliter. So required capacity of a conical pit is 38.5 kiloliter. Okay, this is required answer of question number 5.